Hey guys, DIY Car Guy here, back for another video. Today I'm actually working on the Altima. I'm going to be putting the exhaust on it. Not really the exhaust, I'm going to be doing a muffler delete, basically. These are just test pipes. They're DNA Motoring, I believe was the company I got them from. They're a little dirty. They've been in my garage for a while. Just now finding the time to put them on. So I'm gonna be doing a muffler delete on that. It is the 3.5 SL, which engine is the VQ35DE, I believe. So I've heard they sound really good. I had this exhaust on a 2.5 Altima and sounded real raspy. Didn't really like it, so I took it off. And then I found out later that I bought it and it was for the 3.5 V6. So I got one, or it was my wife's old car. So I figured I'd just go ahead and slap the exhaust on. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the car, show you what the exhaust sounds like now. It really doesn't sound bad, but I'm gonna let you hear how that sounds, and then I'll show you guys how it sounds after. All right, so as you can hear from that, really doesn't sound terrible. I mean, if you like your car quiet, it still gives that little throaty sound when you really punch into it, but I just want to hear how it sounds with this on it. Obviously, if I hate it, I can always just put the stock ones back on it. So I'm gonna get to swapping them in and let you guys know how it sounds. All right, guys, so as you can see, all mufflers are both out. I just went ahead and took the old ones out and went ahead and put the new ones in. Got a little bit of dirt on the back, but they don't look terrible. They actually fit a little better than they did on the 2.5. On the 2.5, they were a little more off-centered than they are. But they don't look terrible, so I haven't started it yet, so you're gonna be hearing it for the first time, same time I am. So let's hope it don't sound bad, so I don't have to do that again. That was kind of a pain. But I'm gonna set you back up on the tripod and get the sound bite. All I did was, I figured I'd show you guys since I didn't do the time lapse. All I did was, that's factory. All of this, all the piping here and all the way up to the front, that's all the factory pipe. So all I did was just tie into right there. It just bolts in right there. Now you'll probably break those bolts off. On the first car I put this exhaust on, all 4 of them broke. Like those 2 over there. These 2 up here, it's got the style that's like the push-in style on the muffler side, and then the nuts on this side. I broke all 4 of those off, taking it off the first car. This one, I just broke the driver's side, and the passenger side came off with a little bit of finessing. But so that's all I did. And just tie right into there. And it's very straightforward, very simple. Now, there is a piece over on this side that had me a little bit confused. It's this thing, and I was worried that it was maybe a ground, but I think it's just something maybe that if your muffler falls off or something, maybe. I'm not real sure. I guess we'll figure out if the car starts giving us issues. But yeah, the exhaust is on. Well, all right, guys. Well, I guess that's about it. really didn't change the sound all that much, actually. I was kind of surprised at how quiet it still was. I mean, it does sound a little more aggressive. I mean, obviously. I don't know, I guess maybe the resonator on these are a little bigger. Maybe if I wanted it louder, probably have to take that off too, which I have resonator, delete, all that stuff. I don't really know if I want to get into all that because I don't want this car being too loud, as it is kind of a car me and my wife rotate around driving back and forth to work. I mean, it doesn't sound bad. It does not sound bad at all. Camera doesn't really do it justice. I think I'm gonna keep it. Thanks for watching the video. If it was helpful, let me know. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Like the video if you liked the video. Comment, tell me what you thought. If you think it sucked, if you think the car sounded like butt, if you think the car sounded good, if you think it sounded better before, let me know. I'll try to be doing more with the car maybe, but that'll just be maintenance stuff. Like I've got to replace the inner and outer tie rods, brakes, stuff like that. I'll probably be doing all that stuff. Like, subscribe, and don't miss any future videos. Hopefully I'm gonna be trying to put out as much as I can. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and until next time.